Ayo, what's up guys? Maglaro nga pala tayo ng Endless Nightmare at naka-headset ako ngayon. So, ayan, Endless Nightmare Part 1. So, let's adjust this. Simple lang muna kaya. Okay, so let's start the game. God, oh dude. Ang lakas, wait lang. Oh. 22. So, bali, anong oras na po? Gabi na ata nun. 11 na ata. Okay. Go to the master bedroom in the second floor. Can I open this? Oh, James can avoid danger by hiding, but remember not to let her see or you're hurting otherwise. Okay. Note. Find the killer. A small note that read find the killer. I have been tracking down the killer all my life, but I can't protect my family. Damn, man. Okay. There's no signal on the TV. Please come later. No, nothing here. Okay. The police uniform usually here. I wear. God damn, dude. Oh. Huh? What's this? Matatakot ako, garo. Yo. Oh shit. Oh shit. No? Lapit pa ba ako sa kanya? Lapit pa ako sa kanya. Man. Oh no. Whoa! What the heck? Eh! May baril. I need that baril, man. A triangle key. Forget when to start. There will always be an inexplicable locks and key in home. Okay. Okay, dito na tayo. So what's this? Lock. Wait, what? Tumagos pa yung paa niya dun? Bawal dito. Ay, shit, magtatago ka talaga. Woo! 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 Wow! Wow! Parang hindi ko kaya itong tapusin ah. Parang hindi ko ito kayang tapusin ah. Pwede ka ba? Lock. Ano ba? Lahat na lang lock ah. Oh my god. Oh shit. Dito? Asan? Go to the master. Ano? Asan? Dito? Ayun. Oh shit. What the? Takot ako yun. Pwede pa ako. Oh my god, man. Lock mo. Ay, tsaka mo muna yan. The photo of Lisa is switch, blah blah. Anong gagawin natin dito? Huh? Go to the master bedroom on the second floor. Dito na ako. Asan dito? Walang gagawin dito. Oh. So, wait pa? Ba't nag-iba yung lugar? Oh. Okay. Lock. The heck? Ay, ito pala. Newspaper. So, newspaper of November 22, 2018. It is already curtained that the marriage of Lisa and James is a mistake, especially after the birth of their daughter James Turnoff. Ayun. Nah, man. Nah. No, man. Phone. You should have a good talk with your husband. This is Lisa phone with an Android text message on it. What the heck? Okay, so lalabas na po ako. Ba't nagbaliktad yung pinto? The heck? Why? Why are you crying? The divorce, wala kaya nabasa dyan. Hirap magbasa. So, dire-diretso. What? The heck? Oh, may aso siya. Kung kasama lang natin sana to, no? Maganda, no? Ay, pwede na ano? Ito na nga. Oh, dito lang din eh. Uy! Ah. CR. Oh. Taser trigger. Dahil nakakatakot ka naman. Partida aso pa yan, ha? Oh. This is very sensitive to sound. You can attract her attention by throwing items. Please throw the bottle on the right place otherwise. Okay. Wait, asan yung ano? Taser? May taser ako nakita kanina. Iron chain. Huwag sabihin nandito siya. Oh shoot. Guess aso lang pala. Men, nakakatakot ka. Oo nga, sa aso ako. Wait lang. Footstep. O sa atin lang yun? Sa atin lang ba? I think sa atin lang. Oo, sa atin lang. Second floor corridor. Asan siya? No, hindi ko to kaya. No. Okay guys, so sana na-enjoy nyo to kahit hindi pa tayo tapos. And hindi ko pa nakita yung killer. Ano lang, isang beses lang natin nakita yung killer. So, yet, di ko kaya maglaro ng horror game but I try. And then, yun. Yun lang. Then sana na-enjoy nyo tong video. Oh man. God damn it.